In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move messages in Slack. Whether you're organizing your workspace or just trying to streamline your conversations, moving messages can be a helpful way to keep everything in its right place. Let's dive right in. First off, let's open Slack and navigate to your workspace. Once you're here, you'll want to identify the message or messages you need to move. This might be in a channel or a direct message, depending on your needs. Keep in mind, as of now, Slack doesn't inherently support moving messages like you might drag and drop a file on your desktop, so you'll need to approach this a little differently. The next step involves copying the message. Hover your cursor over the message that you want to relocate. You'll notice a few icons appear. Look for the More Actions button, which is represented by 3 dots. Click on this and then select the Copy Link option. This will allow you to easily reference this message in its new location. Now head over to the channel or direct message where you want the message to appear. Again, click on the message input field where you would normally type. Paste the copied message link here. It's a good idea to add some context, maybe an explanation of why the message is being moved or any pertinent details that would make the transition smoother for others in the channel. This additional information helps maintain clarity and communication. Moving forward, it's crucial to remember that while you can't physically move the message itself with Slack's current capabilities, creating a reference link often serves the purpose well. For a more permanent solution, you might consider summarizing the key points from the message in the new location, particularly if the original message is quite lengthy or complex. This can be done by simply typing up a brief summary, followed by the message link. Finally, let's address some common best practices around this process. Adjust your Slack settings or communicate openly with your team if you find you're often needing to relocate messages, as this might hint at an underlying organizational issue within your workspace. Perhaps setting up dedicated channels or threads for specific discussions might reduce the need for moving messages in the first place. And there you have it, a straightforward way to effectively organize and manage your communications without technically moving messages in Slack. Slack's evolving platform continues to present challenges and opportunities for innovative use, so keeping abreast of updates or new features could simplify these tasks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.